Here's how to update drivers in Windows 11. First, let's update Windows itself, since updates often include important drivers. Right-click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your taskbar. When the menu pops up, click on Settings. Next, you'll want to click on Windows Update, which is usually in the left sidebar at the bottom. Once you're there, press Check for Updates, and Windows will start searching for any available updates. Make sure you're running the latest version of Windows 11 by letting this process complete. If you're not up to date, go ahead and update it before we move on to updating individual drivers. As you can see on my screen here, Windows found a new security update, so I'll go ahead and update it right now. Just give it some time because these updates can take a while depending on their size. Now that we've got Windows all sorted out, let's update your device drivers. Click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen, the one next to the Start button. Type in Device Manager and hit Enter or click on it when it appears in the search results. This will open up a window that shows you all of the devices on your computer in a nice organized tree structure. In my case, I'm updating my display drivers since I've been having some screen flickering issues, but this process works the same for any device you need to update. Click on Display Adapters and then click the little arrow next to it to expand that category. Find the specific device you want to update from the list that appears. Right-click on it and you'll see a menu pop up with several options. Select Update Driver from that menu. At this point, Windows gives you two choices. You can choose whether to manually search for drivers on your computer or do an automatic search online. I'll do automatic since it's easier, and Windows usually finds what you need. If there's no update needed, it'll simply tell you that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alternatively, you can update your hardware drivers using their dedicated software, which sometimes gives you access to newer drivers or additional features. From there, you can check if any updates are available, and the software will download and install them directly, often with more options than Windows Update provides.